Hey everyone! Let's talk about something that has probably popped up in your skincare routine, or at least in the dozens of ads you've scrolled past. Vitamin C. What's the hype? Why do brands love it? Is it actually worth the money? And what really happens when you apply it to your skin? Today, we're diving deep into the science behind vitamin C in skincare. We're talking chemistry, benefits, myths, and even the challenges of using it. Ready? Let's go! Vitamin C is one of the most talked about ingredients in skincare for a good reason. It's a powerhouse. But how does it actually work? Well, first, vitamin C is an antioxidant. Think of antioxidants as little shields for your skin. Every day, your skin battles free radicals, which are the unstable molecules generated by UV rays, pollution, and even stress. Free radicals are like drunk party crashers at your skin's cellular party. They're destructive, they cause premature aging, and they contribute to issues like fine lines and pigmentation. Vitamin C comes in, donates an electron, and neutralizes these free radicals before they can cause damage. Pretty cool, right? Here's the chemistry behind that magic. Vitamin C, or L-ascorbic acid, has a structure that makes it super efficient at donating electrons to free radicals. It converts these harmful molecules into stable ones, protecting your skin cells from oxidative stress. It's like the superhero your skin didn't know it needed. And it doesn't stop there. Vitamin C also helps regenerate other antioxidants, like vitamin E, so they can keep fighting the good fight. It's teamwork at the molecular level. But wait, there's more. Vitamin C doesn't just stop at protecting your skin, it also helps repair it. Ever wondered why it's known as a collagen booster? Here's the science. Collagen is the protein that keeps your skin firm, plump, and youthful. Over time, UV rays and aging break it down. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis. It's a cofactor for enzymes called prolyl and L-lysosyl hydroxylases, which stabilize and cross-linked collagen molecules. Without vitamin C, collagen molecules wouldn't form their strong, triple helix structure. So, in a way, vitamin C is like the scaffolding supervisor of your skin, making sure everything stays strong and wrinkle-free. And what about that glow everyone talks about? Vitamin C is also a skin brightener. Ever heard of tyrosinase? It's an enzyme in your skin that helps produce melanin, the pigment responsible for dark spots and uneven skin tone. Vitamin C inhibits tyrosinase, which means less melanin production, leading to a more even complexion and reduced pigmentation. That's why vitamin C is a staple for tackling dark spots, sunspots, and post-acne marks. But not all vitamin C products are created equal, and here's where things get tricky. You see, L-ascorbic acid, the purest form of vitamin C, is incredibly unstable. It's like that one friend who gets tipsy too fast. Expose it to light, air, or heat, and it breaks down, losing its potency. When vitamin C oxidizes, it turns into dehydroascorbic acid, which can actually contribute to oxidative stress instead of preventing it. Yikes, right? Alright, we've just scratched the surface of what vitamin C does for your skin. But before we go deeper, hit that like button if you're already learning something new. And hey, subscribe to Skin Chemist to unlock more secrets about the science behind your favorite ingredients. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's next. Let's keep going. Thankfully, skincare scientists are geniuses and they've developed more stable derivatives of vitamin C. For example, there's sodium ascorbyl phosphate, or SAP, which is water-soluble and perfect for acne-prone skin. Then we have magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, or MAP, which is gentle and great for sensitive skin. If you're into oil-based formulations, there's ascorbyl palmitate, and for deeper penetration, tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate is your best bet. These derivatives are designed to be more stable and to deliver vitamin C effectively without the need for harsh low pH formulations. Here's a question I get a lot. What's the best concentration of vitamin C? Many brands will market serums with 20 to 30% vitamin C, claiming they're more powerful. But here's the truth. The sweet spot for vitamin C is around 10 to 20%. Anything above 20% doesn't necessarily work better. It just increases the risk of irritation. So don't fall for the more is better trap. And what pairs well with vitamin C? Glad you asked. Vitamin E and ferulic acid are like vitamin C's best friends. Together, they stabilize vitamin C and boost its antioxidant power. And here's a pro tip. Always pair your vitamin C with sunscreen. Why? While vitamin C offers some photoprotection by neutralizing UV-induced free radicals, it doesn't block UV rays. Sunscreen plus vitamin C is the ultimate duo for daytime skin protection. Now let's talk about what to avoid when using vitamin C. Niacinamide, for instance, can neutralize vitamin C's acidity if the pH levels in your product aren't balanced. Retinoids and AHAs can also irritate the skin if layered with vitamin C, especially if you're using a strong concentration. And benzoyl peroxide? Forget about it, it oxidizes vitamin C on contact, rendering it useless. Okay, so who should use vitamin C? Honestly, almost everyone. It's perfect for people with dull skin, dark spots, fine lines, or acne scars. But remember, moderation is key. Overusing vitamin C can irritate your skin, cause redness, or even cause breakouts. So if you're new to it, start with a lower concentration and work your way up. Fun fact time. Did you know humans are one of the few mammals that can't produce their own vitamin C? Most animals have an enzyme called L-gulonolactone oxidase that helps them synthesize vitamin C, but humans lost this ability due to a gene mutation. That's why we rely on diet and skincare to get our vitamin C fix. Now, let's bust some vitamin C myths. First myth, vitamin C serums can replace sunscreen. Nope. Vitamin C offers some protection, but it's not a substitute for SPF. Second myth, the higher the concentration, the better the results. Wrong. High concentrations can cause irritation without added benefits. And finally, vitamin C products last forever. Definitely not. If your serum turns brown or smells off, it's oxidized and no longer effective. So there you have it. Everything you need to know about vitamin C in skincare, from the science to the myths, and even a peek into the future. If you've ever wondered whether vitamin C is worth the hype, I hope this answered your questions. And hey, if you're a vitamin C fan, let me know in the comments what your favorite product is, or if you've had a funny vitamin C mishap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more skincare science. Until next time, keep glowing and keep learning.